If I tell you you can clone your drive or back up your data without a PC, yes, it is possible. Because stick around, in this video, I'm gonna talk about FIDECO M228 NVMe Dual-Bay Docking Station. And it claims to handle both NVMe and SATA SSD drive. Let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srini and this channel is all about first impression and overview of the product. So if you like such kind of topic, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you are into a PC build or data backups or just want a solid way to clone your SSD drive, stick till the end because I'm gonna share some very important information. So few years ago, I have purchased a FIDECO USB 3.0 Dual-Bay Docking Station. So this is the docking station which I am talking about, and this I purchased few years ago, but this was specially for the hard drives, and you can use 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch hard drive. It is plug and play and it delivers high speed data transfer and it can support up to 10 terabyte of storage. I have done the review of that product in this channel and you can check out by clicking on this I button. Down the line in 2025, I never imagined that same team from FIDECO will contact me to do the testing and review of their latest offering, which is the FIDECO NVMe M228 SATA SSD Dual-Bay Docking Station. So I wanted to let you know this video is made in collaboration with FIDECO. They did send me this unit for testing and review purpose. I am allowed to keep this unit and there is no money exchanged. And also the review and thoughts of this product are my own. If you want to purchase this product, I will leave the link in the description. So before we start further, let's do a quick unboxing. The packaging is clean and secure with solid protection to the docking station and its accessories. So inside the box, you will get an NVMe SATA SSD docking station, a power cable, and a dual USB-C cable for fast data transfer. And along with that, you will also get a quick starter guide. It's a pretty standard kit, but I love the way they have included a dual cable which can help you to connect any machine. Now let's take a closer look. The FIDECO M2288 NVMe supports both NVMe SSD drive and SATA SSD drive, which means you can read two different types of SSD in one unit. On the back you have a dedicated power switch, a power port and a USB-C port for fast data transfer. The design is pretty compact considering it handles two bays. Now let's do a quick setup. Installing the drive is tool-free for NVMe. Just insert the drive in an angle and secure it. It is also the same for SATA drive. One of the big USP is offline cloning. Just power it up, press and hold the clone button, and it will copy your data from one drive to the other drive automatically. And you don't need a PC for that. It is great for quick migration. It has an LED indication to show the cloning progress, which is very handy to see at a glance. Just remember, while cloning, the target drive should be bigger than the source drive. And also, when you're cloning, make sure the two SSDs should be the same, which means NVMe versus NVMe. And you cannot clone NVMe with SATA SSD drive. Now let's test it by connected to a PC. The SATA reader adopts USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard and can support UASP at a maximum speed. And in theory, it can reach up to 20 Gbps. You don't need to wait for the data transfer any longer. However, practically, the speed might vary depending upon which machine you're using. It also has an excellent heat dissipation and thanks to all aluminum body and open air design. And last but not the least, the FIDECO NVMe M228 docking station is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. It's very easy to set up, just plug and play, and no separate driver is required. So here, what I love about this product and what could have been better. For the pros, it supports dual NVMe and SATA SSD drive. It also supports offline cloning, and it is a tool-free design and also comes with a 2-in-1 cable so that you are ready to connect any machine. Now talking about the cons, it doesn't comes with Thunderbolt support. And NVMe cloning is limited to certain types of drive. Make sure to check out the user manual. With the price, it works, but also it depends upon your requirements. So my thought, the overall FIDECO NVMe M228 docking station with this price is value for money. It is super handy for taking backups, cloning your drive, or just managing your drive. So if you are someone who is constantly swapping your drives, upgrading your system, doing a lot of backups and data transfer, then this product is for you. However, if your activity is limited, then probably you might need to think about a different solution. So if you want to buy, I will also share the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you always get notification whenever I upload a new video. From unbox to verdict, follow for the honest takes. And I will see you in the next video.